guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyjee, but everyone calls me Nyjee, so you already know you can call me Nyjee. Today we're going to do whiskey spiked apple cider. I'm so excited for this recipe because it's going to be quick, easy, and definitely ready for your holiday functions. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So let's start with our ingredients. We're gonna do some Star Anise and some cloves, actual cinnamon sticks, some oranges and apples, and also some brown sugar. So sometimes on my social media, I do like to ask you guys what I should incorporate into my recipes. And I was asking about apple brandy this time, but everyone chose whiskey. So here we are with the Crown Royal apple. And because I wanted this recipe to be quick, fast, easy, something you can put on while you're doing other things for your holiday functions, we're gonna use store-bought apple cider. It's supposed to be full.
The ghetto.
But don't judge me, okay? I search high and low for this specific apple cider brand every year, okay? It is the bomb diggity. And I hope you didn't think that we were just gonna pour it in a cup and throw some whiskey on top. Absolutely not. We're gonna bring up the apple cider to a boil. We're gonna add the brown sugar, some cinnamon, the Star Anise, the cloves, girl, the apples, the oranges. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, honey. It is going to be tasty. It is going to be everything, okay? Trust me, you serve this at your holiday functions, they won't even know the difference, okay? Well, unless both of y'all seen this video and then you're gonna be like, damn girl, this looks kind of familiar. But that's not the point. So I'm gonna let this simmer for about 20-25 minutes, but when it comes to a really high boil, I'm going to add my whiskey. I really feel like I found the perfect ratio for this recipe. I got too many personals just on purpose for this recipe. I'm going to add one while it's boiling, and then after we strain it and we bring it back up to temp, we're going to add the second. I really feel like it is perfect. It's smooth, it's crisp, it's not too heavy, it's not too much. I promise you, you'll drink about 4 of these and don't even realize that, oh wow, I think I could touch the ceiling. So after we strain it off, you have completely doctored and changed the original apple cider from that light brown to this hazelnutty type of color. You have really intensified essentially all the flavors that are in the apple cider. Then I'm going to add more whiskey. Oh, wee cheese. And it is so smooth. Trust me on this, especially if you're not a drinker. I really think that you'd enjoy this. And now we're gonna plate this up and really give it a good look to it. Oh, Dollar Tree really came through with these glasses. I really saw them and I was like, these are perfect, okay? But could you imagine bringing these out for your holiday function or to your family? This is gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, super quick recipe. I'm hoping to see this on your Thanksgiving tables, and people who don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I'm just hoping to see these on your Instagram stories. I want to see you guys try it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.